Hi, hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll see the making of a daily wear set. First, I'm making a slab of even thickness. To get a floral design, I'm going to use this cutter. Before using, apply good amount of oil and give a gentle press. So now the floral pendant is ready. I have attached a U-pin at the top. The pendant is dried. Now I'm going to make a bead for this daily wear set. The bead hole should be bigger in size than what I usually make because here I'm going to use a black cord. This is the cord which I am going to use. For making bead hole, I am using a toothpick. So the beads and the pendant are ready. Now we'll make the stud. For this I'm using a floral cutter. So the studs are ready. Let all the pieces dry for 3 to 4 days at room temperature. Then we can bake it. These are our baked pieces. The colors which I am going to use are antique gold, purple and pink. After painting, I'll varnish all the pieces and I'll go for assembling. This is the black cord which I'm going to use. Cut the cord of desired length and then start arranging the beads and pendant. After arranging this, put a knot at both the places so the beads doesn't move. Now I have taken two beads, one is terracotta and other one is a wooden bead. This is for the length adjustment. So just take both the ends and insert it into the bead. Here either you can use a terracotta bead or a wooden bead, it's of your choice. I have shown both. So after inserting the wooden bead, put a knot at the end. So now either you can leave the knot as such or you can just cover it with silk thread. So tie it tightly and apply some glue on it. See, this is how it looks. So now our daily wear set is ready. Hope you all like the design. Subscribe my channel for more such videos. To shop this product, WhatsApp to the given number. Visit my Instagram and Facebook page for more collections. Thanks for watching.